So, got my new riding gear. That's a full gauntlet glove from Alpinestars. This model is SP8 V3 in black color. As you can see, costed around 10k. So the packaging is not that much impressive, just comes with this tags and this manual, which I'm not gonna read. So it's a full gauntlet gloves, as you can see, and also you can see the pinky bridge is also there. One complaint about the V3 gloves is that the pinky finger is bit longer than the version 2. Here, as you can see, the Alpinestars logo. It comes in three color variant, knuckle protection, and here you can see it's perforated leather for breathability. uh, and here you can see in the version 2 there is only one level of stitching. Here it's two level. I'm not sure whether you're able to see. So the main construction is with goat leather, little bit of textile also, and some kind of synthetic leather. I'm not sure what they call, but looks amazing, right? Let me pause the video and show you how it looks after wearing. Yeah, so it looks like that. So it takes some time to like break up because it's leather and just now I bought it, so probably using it for a week or so I can give you overall overview about this gloves. As of now, looks fine. And oh yeah, I'm missing one thing. So touch screen, you can use your like smartphone with this one. So this finger and thumb both has touch screen capability, so it's easier to like navigate using Google Map and all.